I just wanted to open the door for 2 seconds to see how bad it is. Look it's like up to the door, and then I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's like drifting. 1 second. Holy guacamole, look at this.
Maddie, you want to go out?
Yeah, Maddie, I don't think you want to go out there.
She was out once already, but...
Oh my God. Look at, my camera doesn't pick it up, but it's coming down sideways. Oh my God. Yep, this is definitely a snowstorm. I don't know. Have they said it's a blizzard yet?
I don't know. They keep saying blizzard conditions. I don't really know.
Oh. Look at that. Wow. Stay safe, everybody. Yeah, well, there's definitely a blizzard out there, or at least really bad snow. And I am on the last episode of season 4 of Queer Eye. There's 6 seasons. Season 6 came out a couple weeks ago, so I'm almost caught up to being current. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this episode while I get my ring, because I don't really feel like going on the bike today. I just, not that I want to be lazy, but, it's a snow day. I want to just chill, So, I'm going to just get my ring while watching this, and then I think I might switch to Sweet Magnolias, because, what better way to spend a Saturday snowstorm than watching a show that means a lot to you. Yeah, anyway. So, good morning. Happy Saturday. Stay safe, all of you, in the storm, and I will take you through our snow day video. It's just about 10 o'clock, and I got my ring done. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Alrighty, guys, look what I'm about to dive into. I'm honestly so nervous. I don't know. This is on my 98% match, though. Let's see. You know what? Okay. So I remember. So these are like an hour. So I'm going to watch like one a day. Which, let's see. There's 10, right? So, and it's coming on Friday. And today's Saturday. So I have a week, basically. I could do this. So it's like 11:38, and I just finished the first episode of rewatching Sweet Magnolias, and I forgot how beautiful this show is. Like the houses that these women live in are so beautiful. Like the locations are so nice and everything. And I also forgot like how many nice like quotes there are and like lines and stuff that are really nice. But what I think I'm gonna do, because there's 10 episodes and they're like an hour, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch one with like breakfast and in the morning. And I think I'm gonna watch another one with like dinner / in the evening time. Because if I do that, so I already watched one today. So if I watch another one, so that's 2 on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I believe I'll finish on Wednesday, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I'll finish on Wednesday. And then that'll give me like 2 days, which is not a big deal. And then Friday will come and I'll start it. And I don't think I'm going to honestly binge watch it because I've had to wait like 2 years for it to come out. So I want to like enjoy it, you know? Anyway, this is more about Sweet Magnolias than it is about snow. But my mom should be on her way home from my grandma's soon. So I'll ask her how the snow is. Come on, buddy, jump up. Come on. Can someone stand behind Sully so he jumps up here? You finally got up here when somebody stood behind you, huh? Huh? Yeah. Are you gonna chill at me today? Oh, don't rub your ears on me. I don't want that. I want kisses instead. Huh. Good boy. Sonny. Sonny. Hi, buddy. You're a good boy. Kiss me. Give me a kiss. No, he won't kiss you, but he'll cuddle you. Which is weird, but he marches to the beat of his own drum. So I guess I'm the last person to hop on this Wordle bandwagon, that word game that I was mentioning the other day, because now so you got my blanket all wet, because now my sister just called my mom and they had like a 20-minute conversation about how to solve it. But still, it doesn't interest me at all. Anyway, how's the snow out there? Is it stopping?
It's hard to tell because of the wind.
I wonder if we'll actually technically get a blizzard because of the wind. Because when they repeated themselves a lot yesterday, meaning the weather people, they said that it doesn't have to be snowing for 3 hours, but like it has to be above a certain wind, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you're talking to me? I thought you were talking to your...
Well, both. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know. We'll see. Tacos for lunch. Yum, yum, yum. One of my favorite foods is tacos. So with all the Sweet Magnolias fun, I forgot about Hallmark movies today. So this one is called The Sweetest Heart, and it just started. As much as that movie is cute, it's about a baker, like a cupcake baker. I want to watch my second episode of Sweet Magnolias for the day. This one is called Give a Drink to the Thirsty. I forgot how much I loved this intro. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'll talk to you guys in 44 minutes. Whoops, I was watching the third episode the entire time. This is the one I'm going to watch. It's called A United Front. Hey guys, it is like 4:30 And yes, I wear Grinch pajamas. Don't come for me. They're comfortable. It is what it is. But I got out of the shower. It was a slow day today, so I didn't do it in the morning, but we weren't doing anything, so I did it now. I have, like, let's see. Does Netflix save your spot? I can't remember. I have, like, 20, no, that's YouTube. What? I clicked the wrong button. I have, like, 20 minutes of the, second episode. Oh, no. Alright. Oh, no, what the heck? Anyway. Whatever. I have like 20 minutes of the second.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I have 20 minutes of the second episode left. And I just have to say, like, even though I watched this show like 2 years ago, it's still one of my favorites. And honestly, like, rewatching it, I have so many questions now. And I'm so excited. Because, like, even with some of the minor characters, it's like, oh, what's this one up to? Or, hey, did that one ever come back? Or, you know? Anyway. So it's really exciting. We also made some banana bread squares that I haven't made in a super long time. So I'll have good breakfast this week. So, yeah, that's the update. So it's what? Almost 5 o'clock now? What? Oh. So I just finished episode 2 of Sweet Magnolias. So 10, 9, 8 more to go. Anyway, yeah. And that video clip of the one before this was my front yard, or is my front yard. And I just wanted my mom to show you guys how much snow we've got. And she says that that's after it being, what'd you say, after it being snow blowed one time? Or plowed? Outside?
I'm sorry, one more time?
Did you say to tell him that was after being plowed one time?
Oh, outside twice.
Oh.
Dad did the snowblower twice.
Oh, twice. Wow. Yeah. Okay.
But it's drifting, so it's kind of...
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to know how much snow we got.
Well, anyway.
It's pretty passive.
Looks like we'll be stuck inside for a few days, but it's fine.
Oh, you will be.
Well, yeah, I don't...
It's easy to get a wheelchair over this crap.
I'm not going anywhere.
I'll just throw you out the
Hopefully I could...
But honestly, honestly, this tree is creaking so much, like, I'm a little frightened, not gonna lie.
Yeah, isn't it right on top of your room, too? Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, hopefully it's gone by February 7th so I can get my nails done. That's the only thing I care about.
It's supposed to rain this week.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, anyway.
All right.
Yeah.
Going back
So,
out. The dog's in.
Yep. So, that is the day, and we will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys... Why? Oh. Well, anyway, I hope you guys are safe and warm, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.